Torres.
I'm Sandra Bookman. Investigators hope Russian wiretaps and several other clues will give them a window into the life of bombing suspect Tamerlan Tsarnaev.
Senator Charles Schumer wants to hold federal hearings to find out what the FBI knew about the suspects and when they knew it. Eyewitness News reporter Lucy Yang is here with the latest developments in the case. Lucy.
Well, Joe and Sandra, the secret recordings reportedly have the mother and older son talking about jihad. In another call, we understand the mother is heard talking to someone in southern Russia, someone also under U.S. investigation. Those conversations could potentially answer a lot of questions, but tonight, many want to know why we weren't handed these tapes long ago when it could have made a difference.
Do you now accept that it was your children who carried out the attacks in Boston?
No, I don't, and I won't. Never.
In public, she insists her two sons are innocent, but in private, what does she say to them? Turns out the Russians secretly recorded conversations between mother and older son Tamerlan Tsarnaev last summer. What they heard was enough to put this mother on the U.S. terror watch list. Unfortunately, those tapes were turned over to the U.S. only a few days ago, begging the question, could the Boston terror attack have been thwarted? Could all those victims have been spared?
If the Russians had given the FBI early on the information they had, it would have been a lot different investigation.
If Russia wants to cooperate with us in terrorism, that cooperation's got to be a little better than just giving us little crumbs of information and not telling us the whole story. It makes no sense.
The FBI did launch an investigation, but with so little information from abroad, the case was closed last June. A few months later, the younger son, Dzhokhar Tsarnaev, would swear his allegiance to the U.S. and become an American citizen. Flash forward 7 months. Tonight, the 19-year-old sits in a 100-square-foot federal prison cell, receiving medical care from the country that adopted him, but refusing to answer any more questions. His older brother, who went on a mysterious 6-month trip to Russia, his body remains unclaimed in Boston. Now investigators are scrambling to answer how the Chechen brothers were supposedly radicalized, why the Boston Marathon was targeted, and what did their mother have to do with it.
I do believe if she comes into the United States that she will be detained for questioning. So I think there is a connection there.
U.S. investigators tonight reaching back in the older brother's timeline, trying to pinpoint shifts in his life and what he learned in Russia. We understand authorities are also investigating a man in Rhode Island who knew Tsarnaev and may have had Islamic influence over him. Sandra.
Thank you, Lucy.